So, we're doing this thing called putting up a gate. Dean and Jesse have just sunk these posts in the ground. We have a 14-foot gate, I believe, attached to this post. And then we'll finish with the chain link that was there previously, with, of course, all the blocks so the dog doesn't dig out from under the fence because he's a dog. So anyway, big improvements to the homestead going on. Hot, but beautiful day. Blue sky, finally no cloud cover. And the two boys are resting over there.
What do you think?
Looks good. The dog. It'll look great when it's done.